This video takes you inside a fully automated factory where Christmas candy is made at industrial scale. Every step, from raw sugar to festive treats, is handled entirely by intelligent machines. Precision, cleanliness, and perfect timing turn simple ingredients into holiday tradition. Machines pull, twist, and shape the candy with absolute consistency. Advanced scanners check every piece in real time, removing flaws instantly. What looks simple is actually a carefully engineered process running at perfect speed. The process begins with precise measurement of sugar, syrup, and purified water. Automated systems control every ratio to maintain consistent taste and texture. Once mixed, the liquid moves seamlessly toward the cooking stage. Controlled heat transforms liquid sugar into a stable candy base. Sensors monitor temperature and thickness every second. This precision ensures smooth texture and long shelf life. Flavor and color are added with extreme accuracy. Automated folding spreads them evenly through the candy. This step creates the classic look and taste of Christmas sweets. Pulling introduces air into the candy, creating a lighter texture and shine. Machines repeat this motion with exact timing and force. This step gives Christmas candy its smooth bite and bright appearance. Forming machines shape the candy into the familiar candy cane design. Each bend is controlled to avoid stress or breakage. Uniform shape ensures consistency across millions of pieces. Cooling locks the candy into its final hard structure. Airflow and temperature are balanced to prevent cracks. The result is a strong, glossy candy ready for handling. The candy line now branches into different holiday favorites. Pressing systems form classic peppermint discs with perfect symmetry. Each piece cools evenly to preserve shape and flavor. Some Christmas candies include a smooth, flavored center. Automated injectors fill and seal each piece with precision. Advanced scanning ensures every candy meets strict quality standards. Final cooling prepares the candy for handling and packaging. Controlled airflow prevents stress and surface damage. At this point, the candy is fully formed and stable. Artificial intelligence inspects every candy at full production speed. Shape, color, and surface quality are checked instantly. Only perfect pieces move forward into packaging. Each candy is wrapped to protect freshness and flavor. Automated sealing ensures clean, secure packaging. This step prepares the candy for retail handling.
Temperature and humidity sensors scan continuously. Readings adjust airflow automatically.
Wrapped candies are grouped into festive holiday packaging. Automated counting guarantees accurate box contents. Each package is sealed and ready for labeling. Each box receives a label for identification and tracking.
Vision scanners verify label placement and code accuracy. Green indicators confirm approval.
Batch codes allow full traceability from factory to store. Automation ensures accuracy at high speed. Robots stack and secure products for transport. Every pallet is built for stability and efficiency. This step prepares candy for large-scale distribution. Finished candy is stored in a fully automated warehouse.
Environmental sensors monitor temperature and humidity across storage zones. Conditions remain stable.
Conditions are controlled to protect freshness. Inventory systems track every pallet in real time. Orders trigger fully automated retrieval systems. Each shipment is verified before leaving the facility. This ensures accuracy from factory to destination. Finished candy leaves the factory through automated shipping systems. Every route is planned and tracked digitally. From here, the product travels across the country and beyond. From raw ingredients to festive treats, every step is precisely controlled. Automation ensures quality, safety, and consistency at massive scale. This is how modern factories create the Christmas candy enjoyed around the world.